ACBuy, formerly AllChinaBuy, a Taobao agent for shopping from China, holds funds in your account wallet for purchases. Refunds or leftover balance, like overpayments, can be withdrawn, but it's not direct. Funds return via the original transaction channel, like card, PayPal. Withdrawals take 4 to 9 business days, no fees from ACBuy, but bank delays may apply. Minimum, $1 to $5. Use the app or website. Requires verified account. Log in. Open the ACBuy app, iOS or Android, or visit acbuy.com. Sign in with email or password. Ensure KYC is complete. ID upload if prompted. Access wallet, tap account, wallet, or balance. View available funds, for example, $60 refund. If from a refund, note the original transaction ID. Initiate withdrawal. Select withdraw or refund balance. Choose the transaction, must be the one where funds originated, like overcharge shipping. Enter amount, full or partial. Confirm details. Input payment password, set during sign-up. Review. Funds revert to the source, like credit card. No new bank details needed. Submit. Tap Withdraw. Get confirmation email. Track in orders, transactions. Funds process in 4 to 9 days. Contact bank if delayed. Tips. Only withdraw from eligible transactions. Stuck funds. Chat support 24/7 in-app. Europe users. May take 7 to 9 days. Call bank if over 10. Prevent issues. Use for future buys to avoid waits. Scams alert. Verify via official app or site.